Hello there, beautiful people. In this video, I will show you how to add color swatches on the product page on your Shopify store without using any applications and by using your own pictures of your choosing. You can either choose pictures or choose a color. As you can see, this one is a color, which is the silver, and this one is gold. I choose an image to display an image, and this one is titanium, so I choose an image as well. And without any more talking, let's do some tools. So the first thing you're going to do is obviously access Shopify dashboard. After that, access the product page the product section from here, from the left panel, click on it and access the first product you want to implement this trick on. As you saw, I did it on necklace, so I want to do it again on necklace because now it's already gone. If I reload the page, as you can see, now it shows the normal variant. I want to add swatches here just like you saw. So I'm going to get back in here and click on that particular product. Now, if I scroll down, as you can see, I have gold, silver, titanium. So I want to add color swatches for this one. If I scroll down a little bit, you will see this category meta field and you will see the colors and there is just a purple line over them. It means the AI or Shopify backend is actually recommending these based on the variant. It recommends here gold, silver, so it's showing you this. You can click on to accept, as you can see. So yeah, I agree, I have gold, so I want to accept. However, I want to change it. I don't want to show the color, I want to change the image. So I'm going to click on it, then I'm going to click again on it. I'm going to click on edit. So I accepted, I'm going to edit the color. Now instead of doing a color, I will add an image. So I'm going to click on select image. I'm going to select the gold image, this one. I'm going to click on done. Now, if I click on save, the color will be based on an image, as you can see, and it's still the same for the variant for gold. I'm gonna do the same for silver. I'm gonna click on it, edit, select image, click on done. Now is titanium. I don't have titanium. If I click here and I search for titanium, I don't have it. So how I'm gonna add this one? No worries, you can add a new one. Simply scroll down and you will see add a new entry. Click on it, then I'm gonna name it titanium. I hope I write it correct. And below a color, you don't have to click on it, click on image. Or if you wanna add color, sorry, that was my mistake. If you wanna add color, simply click on it and select the color you wanna show. But in my case, I wanna add an image. So I'm gonna click on select image, and I have an image here for platinum, which is same. I can't tell the difference. Anyway, so based color, I would recommend you to pick a color from here. Let's do silver. This one just for the categories, for collections or whatever, search patterns and so on. So I'm going to click on save. Now all of them are based on an image. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I need to assign them to the variant. How to do so? Very easy. Scroll up when create or edit the variant. Click on the metals variant where it has gold and silver and titanium in my case. For you should be the colors. Then click on connect meta field. This icon beside the name. Click on it and select the colors meta field, which is exactly the one that we did edited here, as you can see. So click on colors and it will assign the colors we did add for each variant. So I'm going to click on save. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I need to add the color swatches. So I'm going to get back to the theme editor. I'm going to click on edit theme for the theme I'm using. I'm going to switch to product page and let me switch to the product where I added the colors. Now this is the product, still shows the variant, normal variant. No worries, you can click on the variant picker or you can do so from the left panel where it says template. You can click on variant picker and it will show you this option and there is swatches in here. So enable this option and the swatches will show up with the images I did set, as you can see. If you want to customize the swatches, make them larger or smaller or remove this border around them, you can do so by clicking on the icon here, the gear icon for the settings. Simply click on it and scroll down a little bit and you will see this option right here, swatches. Click on it and here it is. You can adjust the width and the height of the swatches, corner radius, border or none, the border thickness, and the border opacity as well. So now I have the color swatches based on either color or the images. If you have any questions or you need help with your Shopify store, make sure to reach out. But for now, I think my job is done. So thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.